This is our MaxStore high-density mobile system. It uses space in the most efficient way to give you very high-density capacity of storage. Shelving is fixed onto mobile carriages that run on tracks. To create the opening that you require, it's quite simple. Just by turning the handle, the effort you require is very low. Just a single hand can create the opening and the movement, and you create an aisle where you require. Here's the open aisle that I may want to now gain access. You've got access to the whole of the system. So by walking down through the aisle, you can actually refer to the item. There are pull-out reference shelves that allow you to take the item, refer to the material, and when you're finished, you can easily go back into the shelf. The shelf is then returned, and then we can have access to another part of the system. By turning the mobile base and the wheel for where we want the access, we can create an opening where we require. Then, once you create an opening for your safety, we have a push button that allows you to lock that base, prevent it from moving. A lock button that you press over here stops that from moving. That means that you can walk down into the aisle without any anxiety about the mobile bases being closed whilst you're in there. By releasing the button, and by releasing this button, we can then create the aisle in a new location. This system is 4 bays deep. The whole number of bases we've got here is 4 mobile bases and a single-sided against the wall on this side. We've got here a capacity of over 40 bays of shelving in a relatively small amount of space.